All right, good morning, afternoon, evening, 10th grade. I've got a short video for you today and want to give you plenty of time to work on your papers. So you're going to follow your reading schedule for The Great Gatsby this week, depending on if it's abridged or unabridged. Work on your papers. Today's the last day to ask me to look over a whole draft. So you can still ask questions tomorrow. It's just today's really the best time to finish up if you want me to look at your whole draft and see if you're on the right track if you're worried about that. Don't forget to do the works cited page too. That's on the requirements that I gave you, and I just wanted to remind you because I know that's kind of more of a detail thing and easy to forget, and I'll give you some more information in a minute on that. So Worldview paper is due Wednesday by 11:30 p.m. and the discussion post this week is due Thursday. I've put a few different things there that I'll show you in a minute as well. You're not going to have a video tomorrow. Just use that time to work on your papers and or contact me as you need to. And then I'll have a video for you guys again on Wednesday. Okay, about that works cited. So if you're worried about that, I'm going to post digital copies of the PA MLA Basics in case you're like, I don't have that handout anymore, Miss Carrier. It is lost in the world of yesteryear. Also, Al Purdue has been a good friend of mine over the years. So if you go to alpurdue.com, the MLA section, and look at the left-hand side, you can find the places that you need to look up different types of sources. You can also ask me questions if you're unsure. I'm not grading harshly on this. I just want you all to make sure that you remember to do it. If you use a citation generator, just be sure to reformat, especially, if like the color or the highlighting and all of that shows through. Make sure it's correct format and proofread it to make sure it's up to date and follows the current MLA formatting. All right, we're going to switch to another screen and I'm going to share with you guys a few things on the actual MLS page. Okay, so instructions for submitting your Worldview paper. You're actually going to turn this into turnitin.com. And so what I want you to do is when you click on this section, it gives you instructions. As a reminder, if you've forgotten how to use Turnitin, you can also email me or contact me in the chat, but don't submit papers here. Okay, so this is not where you turn in your assignment. You will follow these directions and use the class key and code that's for your class. So 10 English B, your page is going to look a little different as far as, your key. You'll have Sound and Fury 20 and then a different class ID here. So you'll want to use that. And then that's where you'll turn in that paper. Also, reflection on The Great Gatsby. So I wanted to comment a little bit here. The discussion for this week is going to be pretty open because we're wrapping up the book and you're writing your paper. So you get to pick what to talk about in the book. It just has to relate to The Great Gatsby. And I've attached the Harkness Table tips to help you guys out. And here's a few specifics if you're stuck. If you're like, I don't know what to talk about with this book, Ms. Carrier, just tell me something. Well, pick one of these and you can do that. Now, I love to see you guys interact, but I know this is a busier week as we're wrapping things up. So you only have to create your post and respond to one other person. You can do more if you'd like, but I'm fine with doing a little bit less than we have before. And I'm making it open-ended for you guys as well. All right, if you have any questions, just let me know. Contact me, again, email or the MLS chat, and I will see you guys on Wednesday if you don't contact me tomorrow. Bye.